Meaning of drudgery.
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 Drudgery. The word drudgery refers to boring, repetitive, or menial work that can be physically or mentally exhausting. It is often associated with tasks that lack creativity and require little skill or imagination. The result of drudgery is a feeling of monotony and a lack of fulfillment or satisfaction in one's work. People who engage in drudgery may experience a sense of meaninglessness or despair, as their work does not provide them with a sense of purpose or reward. Drudgery can be especially difficult to endure over long periods of time, leading to burnout or other negative outcomes.